Welcome to the ultimate exploration of IPTV players. Ready to revolutionize your streaming experience? This is where we begin by explaining its extraordinary capabilities. Did you know IPTV allows flexibility with content on demand and live streaming, eliminating the need for traditional cable? Meet your entertainment alive with IPTV now. But wait, there's more. To access top-notch IPTV services, head over to 2tv.store. Contact Nancy in customer support for any assistance, ensuring your setup is simple. IPTV players are the future, continually evolving to enhance user experience. Choose your content, pause live TV, and customize your viewing journey like never before. Wonder how it works? IPTV uses high-speed internet to deliver content directly, providing a seamless, buffer-free viewing experience. Say goodbye to lag and interruptions. So there you have it. IPTV players are your gateway to limitless content. Stream smarter, innovate today, and redefine how you enjoy entertainment at home.